Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, we're going to explore the student module, where you can manage every child's information, attendance, billing, learning progress, immunization, activities, forms, and so much more, all from one simple dashboard. From the left side menu, go to My School and then tap on Students. Here, you will see your entire student dashboard. At the top, you can sort your list, filter students by room, filter by student status, active or inactive, and check attendance status. You can also type in the search bar to quickly find any student by name. In the student row, you can see the student name, the room they are assigned to, their status, and the check-in, check-out button. You can check a student in or out by selecting the correct time and date. Next to that, you'll see the family member assigned to the child. From here, you can call the parent, chat with them, email login details, and view the check-in code. If multiple guardians are linked, you will see plus more parents, and you can click on it to view each guardian, their contact details, and their unique check-in code. Now let's look at how to add a new student to the system. At the top right corner, click on the Student button and select Add Students Now. Here, simply enter the student's first name, last name, and select the room in which you want to place the student. Once you save, the next page will open. On this page, you will get two options. You can skip for now, or you can add parent details immediately. If you choose to add parents, enter the parent's name and email address and click Send Invite. The parent will receive a welcome email where they can create their password, and they will also find the download link for the MyKidReports mobile app. Using the same email and the password they create, parents can log into their account and access everything related to their child. We have a dedicated video explaining the parent experience. The link is available in the description. Now let's open a student profile and explore everything inside. Click on the student's name to open their profile. At the top, you can update the child's photo, edit their name, change their status between active or inactive, and change or add their room assignment. The Overview tab contains all the basic information like birthday, gender, allergies, and many more important details that keep the student profile complete. You can edit any field and save it, and you can also add custom fields using the Add Field button. On the right, you will see every change and update ever made to the student. This helps maintain a complete audit history for your school. The Guardians section shows all family members linked to the student. Guardians are usually added during enrollment, but you can also add them manually from here. To add a guardian, click Add Guardian. You'll see two choices, Existing Guardian or New Guardian. Choose Existing Guardian to link a parent who's already in your school system, useful when a sibling is already registered. Choose New Guardian to create a brand new guardian record. Enter their name, email, and contact details. Then send the invite. The welcome email is sent to the address you enter. The parent uses that email to create their account and then automatically appears in your family list. If you prefer to invite parents yourself, use Copy Sign-up Link. Copy the link and send it directly to the parent. When they open the link and complete the sign-up form, their profile is automatically added to your school. This is an alternative method to sending the invite from the form. Next is Guardian Permissions. This controls exactly what the guardian can do. From here, you can enable things like billing access, pickup authorization, inclusion in messages, or whether they see activity feed items. Set permissions carefully so each guardian only has the rights you want them to have. Click More Options next to any guardian to see 3 additional actions: Remove Guardian, Change Password, and Update Family Member Info. Remove Guardian deletes the guardian from the student's profile. Change Password lets the admin reset the parent's password, useful if the parent can't access their account. Note, parents can also reset their own password at any time using the Forgot Password link on the login screen, but the school can perform a reset here if needed. Update Family Member Info opens the guardian's profile so you can edit name, phone, email, or any other details. Below that, you will see the student's schedule. You can add a schedule directly from here by clicking on the plus button for that specific date. There are also 2 more ways to add schedules, from the billing plan page and from the schedules menu on the left. All attendance records for this student appear in the attendance log. Next, let's look at the billing tab. Here you can assign billing plans, edit or remove plans, view statements, print statements, email invoices, and track every billing activity related to this student. All detailed billing settings are also explained in our billing video. Next, the Immunization tab allows you to manage the child's vaccine schedule. You can add doses using Add Dosage, add new vaccines, and if AI recommendation is turned on, the system will show you all vaccines that are due soon, helping you stay compliant. In the Feeds tab, you can see all activities posted for this specific child: photos, notes, meals, and updates. You can add a new activity by clicking on Add Activity. From here, you can edit or delete any existing activity. For full details on activities, please watch the activity video. Next, the Forms and Requests tab shows all paperwork associated with this child. You can also request forms or documents directly from here. A detailed explanation of paperwork management is available in our paperwork video. Finally, the Learning tab shows all milestone progress for the student. You can select the framework and domain, apply filters, and log new observations using the Log Observation button. Progress across all learning categories like cognitive, literacy, communication, motor skills, STEM, arts and social-emotional development is tracked right here. And yes, everything you see here is also available on the MyKidReports mobile app, so you can manage students anytime, anywhere. This completes the student module. MyKidReports makes student management easy, accurate, and organized, helping your center run smoothly while keeping parents informed every day. Start your free trial today and experience how MyKidReports can simplify childcare management for you.